Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the air filter in Tesla Model 3. Start by opening the passenger door and removing the glove box stop tabs, then lower the glove box gently. Remove the access panel to expose the cabin filter housing, then unclip the housing cover and slide out the old filter. Inspect the housing for debris, install the new filter oriented correctly, and reassemble in reverse order. Prepare your workspace by parking on level ground and powering off the vehicle, then open the passenger door to access the glove box. Collect a trim tool, screwdriver, and replacement filter before you begin to keep the process smooth. Remove glove box stops carefully so the box lowers without damage, and place screws and clips in a small container so nothing gets lost during reassembly later. If this walkthrough is helping, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: try those leak-proof meal prep containers for keeping nuts, bolts, and lunch spill-free while you work on your car. They stack neatly in the trunk and save cleanup time. I put a link in the description with more deals and options, so check that out. Now let's get back to the video. With the glove box lowered, unclip the access panel and locate the filter housing cover, then undo the fasteners and remove the cover. Keep track of the orientation arrows on the filter and slide the old filter out straight to avoid spilling dust. Quickly vacuum or wipe the housing interior, then insert the new filter aligned with the airflow arrow, secure the cover, and test by closing the glove box gently to confirm fit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.